Uh, Moving back to Market Fatafat and all the stocks that are in focus today, Nilesh Jain, who's the head Derivatives and Technical Research Center and Broking, is joining us on the technicals. But coming to you, Nilesh, you've picked out SBI for us. Why SBI, Nilesh? Even this counter hasn't really done much in the last 6 months. It hasn't really, in fact, in the last 1 month, it has been consolidating. Tell us, is it time that you're seeing a breakout in the charts, or what is it that you're seeing for SBI now?
Very good afternoon, Ankita. Good afternoon, everyone. So the reason the stock is looking good at current level is that we have seen a good correction. I would say retracement of the entire run-up till 890 levels. And now, after this correction, I think the stock is available at a very good price, very good levels from a risk and reward point of view. The stock has a very strong support at its 200-day moving average, that is latest 760. So till the time it doesn't break below the same, we expect a strong pullback, or I would say a rebound towards 820 to 840. Although the immediate resistance of its 50-day moving average, that is coming somewhere around 820, and a breakout above the same will provide a confirmation towards 850 to 860. So at current level, it is looking good given the kind of run-up that we have seen in private sector banks. Now I think it's time for PSU banks to join the rally.
All right, bullish on the PSU banking space.
Coming to you, Nilesh, HUL is what you've picked out for us. Now, this stock is trading at its 52-week high. It's hovering around that. Tell us, is there more steam, left in the stock? What is the upside that you're seeing?
If you look at the consumption space as a whole, we have seen a good momentum in this particular space. HUL, after long underperformance, long consolidation, I think finally have started moving up, and it is also forming a kind of pattern and habit of formation on the daily as well as weekly time frame chart, trading well above short-term and long-term moving averages. And we have, in fact, if you see on the monthly time frame chart, it has given a multi-year breakout as well at the levels of 2800. So ideally, one should take a long position, keeping some position target of 3200 to 3400 in the mind, and keep a stop loss below 2850. So that's the immediate support for this particular stock. We expect this ongoing momentum to continue towards 3200 to 3400.
All right, then moving on.
Coming to you, Nilesh, TCS is what you have picked out for us. Now, TCS, Nilesh, hasn't done much in the last six odd months. In fact, it's seen a bit of a consolidation in the last 1 month. Tell us, is it time for this counter to start moving and giving gains now?
Ankita, if you look at the entire run-up that we saw in the Nifty IT Pack, we have seen an outperformance in this particular stock as well. But I think Nifty IT Index seems to be topped out, and we might see some follow-up selling in the Nifty IT stocks. TCS being one of the index heavyweights, we expect this particular stock to lead this fall. And since technically this particular stock has reached its 50 DMA on the lower side, so we expect it to test this 200 exponential moving average, that is somewhere around 4050. So from current level, there could be possibility of another leg on the lower side. So it's a sell from my side in this particular stock, and avoid taking any contract till the time we see any confirmation of a trend reversal. And on the short side, stop loss can be placed somewhere around 4350, and on the lower side, target comes somewhere around 4150 to 4100.
Any contra bets on TCS is what Nilesh is saying, but coming to you, Nilesh, Trent is what you picked out for us. Trent, this stock is a stock that that just keeps giving. Trent is a name that has been on the radar for a lot of techies and a lot of investors. Good, almost 96 to 97% returns in the last 6 months. More upside there. How should one play this counter now?
The stock has been in a very strong uptrend, and we have seen a continuation of pattern habit of formation in this particular stock. And recently we saw some small consolidation, and today we have witnessed a fresh breakout in this particular counter. Even if you look at the derivative data, today we have witnessed a fresh build-up on the long side, that too at the high levels. That basically indicates there is still some more room left on the upside. So our target in this particular stock comes somewhere around 7800 to 8000, and any dip can be used as a buying opportunity. One can keep a stop loss below 7350 and go long, and I think this momentum should continue till 8000 sort of levels in the near term.